plumbing organization, and you can never have enough plumbing stuff on hand. Been doing a lot of remodeling. This drawer is for toilet stuff, for the up flush toilet and toilet bowl stuff, handles, whatever. I got this drawer is for just all the fittings, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, different pipe adapters, small sections of pipe. This one is the shark bites, the valves, rubber connectors. This is electrical. These are also electrical, like plugs and Wagos and outlet switches, more electrical. 2 inch PVC, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and then some more just random